Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. And welcome back to all my returning subscribers. So for today's video, I'm gonna be trying to I already attempted the bun hawk, as you can see. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved it. And yes, it's my first time actually using an extension piece, you can say. It's like braided hair, so you guys gonna see my struggle with it and how I achieved this look. So if you're interested and you want to see how I achieved this magnificent look, keep watching. And if not, well, you can watch another one of my videos. Anyway, let's start this video and I hope you like it. Bye. Alrighty, let's begin this bun hawk. So actually, I was on Instagram when I saw this and I was like, you know what, let's try it out. Let's see if I can recreate it. So first, you want to make one front part. I'm gonna try my best to make it as straight as possible, so I can't really see in the back. So making straight lines is very difficult, so you'll get it, and I'll get it one day. All right, I think we've got the first part. I want to divide each section first before I moisturize it and style. All right, second part. Now from the photo, she made a second part here, put some on the bottom. So let's do it like this. I can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm just feeling it as I go. Now onto the styling. So before you start, I always advise, always do a nice moisturize in the hair. If you want to know what I'm using right now, I'm using Perfective Mega Growth. It's a daily lotion. And I forgot my brush, so hold on 1 second and I will be back with my brush. Okay, got it. So just brush the hair up a bit, get everything together. And it's up to you, if you want it a little bit in front of your hair or more back. And you have it like so. You just make a knot, because remember, we're gonna be putting the hair, so you just want to just knot it, so. And then you do the same with each hair. So just a little bit of moisturizer, detangle, and then brush. If you want to use gel, you can, but honestly, I'm not a big fan of gel anymore. Like, I really try not to use it anymore. just because yeah, it gets all hard in your hair and crunchy. So I kind of want to use it less. So even if you want like a more sleek look, you can use gel, of course. And then do the same thing. Just make a little knot. Next is the hair. So actually this is my first time using like braid hair on my own. Like I don't usually wear a lot of braids, but I haven't done this on my own before, so let's see how I do. So you can get any type of braid hair, jumbo braids, any cheap braiding hair. It doesn't have to be expensive because you're just using it to make the buns bigger. So I just bought one pack and I'm just gonna divide it in 3 pieces and figure out a way to wrap them around my hair. Please don't laugh at me. Like I said, I haven't done this before, so I'm also learning. And bun number 3. So basically what I did, I just opened it up a bit like this and I put it over the knot that I created and then I twist it around. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. So this is the final look. I think it came out pretty nice, considering it's my first time using the braided hair. Like I said, I'm not a real expert on it. Yeah, I think it could have maybe been a bit more tighter, but like I said, guys, if you have any suggestions for me, any comments or tips on the next time I want to do this again, just let me know. If you have like any hair accessories like clips or maybe like a design, sometimes I see these like chain type of things you can like hang, you can go ahead and add that, like some earrings. Unfortunately my ears are not pierced, so no earrings for me, but yeah, you can jazz it up however you like. So let me know, do you like it, do you hate it? And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.